When was the last time you struggled to stand up from a chair, climb stairs, or carry something that used to feel easy? If that felt surprising or even a little scary, then this video is for you, because that struggle isn't just getting older, it's your muscles quietly disappearing. Every year, millions of people lose muscle, and most don't even realize it's happening. What's shocking is that one daily habit, something almost everyone ignores, is responsible for the fastest muscle loss of all. We'll get to that in a moment. Muscle loss doesn't start with pain. It starts with small changes. Most people brush it off and say, "I guess I'm just getting old." But the uncomfortable truth is, it's not just age, it's muscle loss, and it's happening faster than you think. By the time it becomes noticeable, up to 30% of muscle mass can already be gone after age 50. But here's the part most people don't know. Muscle loss doesn't care about your age. It only responds to signals. And in a minute, you'll learn the exact signals that tell your body to rebuild muscle, even if you haven't exercised in years. 1. Your muscles are starving. Most muscles aren't old, they're underfed. Without enough protein, the body breaks down its own muscle for fuel. That's when arms get thinner, legs get weaker, and posture starts to collapse. But the moment real protein enters the system, something powerful happens. You can give protein to your body by eating foods like eggs, fish, chicken, lentils, and Greek yogurt. 2. Muscles are being ignored. Muscles are use it or lose it tissue. The less they are used, the faster they disappear. But most people think saving their muscles requires a gym, heavy weights, and painful workouts. That belief stops them before they even start. But here's the truth. Muscles don't need perfection. They need activation. For instance, a simple walk, wall push-ups, chair squats, or resistance bands. Even 10 to 15 minutes a day can wake up sleeping muscle fibers. 3. Sugar is silently eating your strength. One of the biggest enemies of muscle isn't age, it's sugar. It causes inflammation that eats away at muscle fibers. Over time, fat replaces muscle tissue. The body becomes soft, weak, and tired. Even foods people think are healthy can secretly do this. Your future strength is decided by what you do today. So if you don't want to lose your independence as you age, hit that like button and subscribe now.